06 Grand Cherokee. Is the one with 5.7 engine. We have a problem with the fuel pump not starting. We're going to work on the fuel pump, remove it, and we got to take the tank down because the pump's in the tank. The tank is in the center of the car on the left side. It's pretty easy job. The left side, if you're working in a home garage or the ground or in a yard, the left side is the one has to be jacked up. So we'll jack up front and rear wheel and place the car on stands. We need the space to drop the gas tank down and pull it out so we can work on the pump. Start removing any bolts to remove the tank. Disconnect the vapor and fuel here. It is labeled. Disconnect the filler hose. This is for vapor lines. So all the lines are disconnected. Okay, the tank is out with the pump. Just lift, but be careful because the float is inside, so you get a couple of bolts in the front.